Even great products don't sell themselves. If your product photos look immature, blurry, or inconsistent, shoppers may scroll past before they even read the title. The good news? You don't need a photographer or hours of editing to fix that. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly clean up and improve multiple product photos at once using the UniConverter's batch image editor tool. Whether you're selling on Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, or your own online store, this workflow can help you create cleaner, more professional-looking product images in a fraction of the time. First, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Next, open the batch image editor. We'll start by importing multiple product images into the batch image editor tool. Once your images are imported, the first step is removing the backgrounds. A cluttered or distracting background can take attention away from your product. With the image background remover, you can automatically separate the product from the original background and create a cleaner, more professional look. This is very simple. Just click on the image background remover here. Click here for removing the backgrounds, and then choose a new background from these presets or use your own photo. These settings will be applied to all of the photos on your list. Next, we'll improve the image quality using the image enhancer. Blurry details, soft edges, or lower quality images can make products look less appealing. The image enhancer helps sharpen important details and improve the overall image quality, making your product stand out more clearly. Simply click here on the image enhancer option, then turn on Auto Enhance. All these other settings here work in a batch as well in case you need to use them. Otherwise, click on the export settings here and choose your output format and output folder. Finally, export them. And that's it. A few clicks and you've cleaned up backgrounds, improved image quality, and processed multiple product photos all at once. Less time editing, more time focusing on your products and growing your business. If you found this helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.